Hey everyone, Evan here in the Photobacks office. I wanted to share a very important update with you. Not only do we have our free downloads for Father's Day, but we do have an update, a very important update to Photobacks Control, now version 6.1. So you'll see it when you install it under plugins, now 6.1. And we had to do an update. There was a minor error that happened randomly, as you may have seen, when Photoshop updated to the most recent version, which is version 24.5. And sometimes we wait, some of these updates are smaller, but this update was such a major, great update, as you may have seen in some of my webinars, that it was really important to encourage you to update to the latest version of Photoshop. And then also we had to make sure that Photobacks Control was working properly. Now it totally is, and it's actually working better than ever, and I don't want anyone to have any issues. So go to your My Photobacks account, of course, log in, and then go to this step 2 in the quick start guide to get control. That'll bring you to this page, and you can download the install files. There's really no need to do an updated install or usage video. However, I'm going to, just because it is just a new version. I want to make sure you guys understand that. But version 6.1 is what we have here. So definitely download that from your account. You can go to your account again and then click on download and install Photobacks Control, and you'll get the latest version. When you download it, you'll want to extract the zip file. It may happen automatically for you, but make sure you remove those files from the zip folder. Click extract, or if you're using your Safari web browser on a Mac, it'll do it automatically. But I mention that because then you can just double click the install file in the Photoshop CC folder, and that will automatically install it in your Creative Cloud panel, and then it'll say open Photoshop. You don't have to close Photoshop first, and it will overwrite the old version. You don't have to uninstall anything. It will just work, which is great. So this has become super simple to upgrade now. Everything is great. So definitely get it. But just showing you very quickly, anytime you press any button here, it's going to work great. We had an issue with the Add Photo button. There were some errors that would happen randomly now. No problem at all. Click, it comes in, and you can see it comes in as a smart object. We can adjust, we can resize, we can move, and we're all set. And then that stays perfect where it needs to be as a smart object, and you can resize it continually without losing quality. I'll just do another one here just to show you that we're having no issues at all. Again, the issues in the past were random with the update. There was a warning box that came up that you could bypass, but there's no need to worry about it now. Our new coder, by the way, we had to hire somebody new to do this, but he did an amazing job. So it's just so great, and it made it even smoother. In fact, if you're in the process now of adding a photo to the template and you cancel out, you don't get any extra layers or error. In the past, you could have gotten an extra layer, and it didn't really make sense. So to code that out was really smart. So we now add the photo. It comes in great. Then you see the layer stack is built for you automatically, and then you can adjust your images perfectly. So download the update to Photobacks Control and download the free Father's Day templates. There's still time to create something great. You can even create something great after Father's Day. You take some pictures on the holiday and then put it into some great display. So thank you, everybody. Download now and enjoy. Bye-bye.